Hi guys, what's up? It's Em and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am gonna be making a very easy and simple last minute DIY treats for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. For our first DIY, we need any container, any kind of cookie, and a heart-shaped cookie cutter. So this cookie cutter has different sizes, but I will only use the 3 smallest heart cutters. So let's start. Here I am using the baking tray with a parchment paper. Then just choose the size that fits the cookie and cut. And for the scraps or the leftovers, place them in a bowl because we're still gonna eat them. For our second DIY, we need a soft choco chip cookie, marshmallows, and a hard cookie cutter. So we just do the same thing here. Again, shape the cookie using the hard cookie cutter. Place 1 marshmallow on the back or the flat side of the cookie. Microwave for 5 to 10 seconds only. The marshmallow should look like this. Just make a sandwich hard cookie. And I just made more because why not? For our third DIY, we need the same choco chip cookie, Nutella, kisses, and some heart-shaped cookies. Just spread the Nutella on the cookie and make a sandwich. Here, we're just gonna use half of the marshmallow. Put 1 kisses on top of the melted marshmallow. And decorate on your own preference. Our last DIY is a heart floater. We need marshmallow, we need a cup, a whipped cream, any wide pan, and a hot chocolate. Squeeze the whipped cream on the half of the pan. And using a spoon, just spread it and smoothen it out. Then put the pan with the whipped cream in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes or until the whipped cream solidifies. Before making the heart floater, ready your hot chocolate. So simply shape the whipped cream into a heart using the cookie cutter and then place it on top of the hot chocolate.
Try this. Yummy. Twice this again.
Lahat na kinagatan mo. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to comment and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye! Happy Hearts Day!